what happens here? If I ended up doing this, okay? How's that look? Now I could put, if I didn't want to use duct tape, I could use some cardboard and some clear tape or something like that. But see, doesn't that dims it down? I like that. I'm kind of a fan of that. That's kind of how I thought it was going to be at the store. And that would look much more pleasing to the eye. Late at night, we could have these lights on a glowing type bit. I could even do that on this cylinder one. Put something up at the top and the bottom, or do just the bottom and have the top going up or whatever. So I think I might do something like that, just as a thought. But you know, if you didn't install these for a wall sconce type situation, if you wanted them like in a bathroom, let's say, I think that would give you enough light. See how bright that is? Could you envision that over a bathroom sink? I was thinking about doing something like that in this bathroom here. See, I took that out, and now we've got to go to the store and figure out what we're going to end up doing, because I don't think I'm going to put the other light fixture back up in there. And that might look pretty good up there. So I'm going to mention that to Momi too. But you know, we couldn't find another one of those. Maybe we'll get something similar to that, or do something else. The last thing you want to do is have all your light fixtures all the same in your house or something. Maybe get something a little bit different for the bathroom, just so that everything's not too samey. Okay? So anyways, and the other thing, after I installed that, I looked at that, and I looked at it horizontally, and it almost looks like the left-hand side is slightly lower than the right-hand side. I'm going to look at that a little bit more. I took my level, but I've got a pretty good eyeball, and it looks like this left-hand side is just a hair low, and I may have to adjust the screws, and I'm not sure if I adjust. I don't think I can adjust the set screws for this. Once it's installed, once it's tight. And what I may have to do is take the whole light fixture down and twizzle the mounting bracket up to the wall, up ever so little, you know, maybe 1/8 of an inch, and then reinstall it. And I'm down for that. I don't mind. I can do that if I have to. And so I'll probably work on that, make sure I like what I see. You know, from here it looks pretty straight, but I can tell it's just slightly lower on the left-hand side. So can you adjust these? Yes. The mounting bracket has a slide on there, so you can put it on vertical, so it's vertical or horizontal, and then it's got the bracket is angled like that with a slot in there, so I can adjust it, you know, one way or another. So I think I'm going to go through the effort. Yeah, I'm going to go through the effort to do that, because if it's bothering me now, I know it's going to bother me later, saying, I should have done that. Probably nobody else who comes to this condo is ever going to say anything to me. But if it bothers me, I'm going to fix it. So can those be adjusted? Of course they can. Okay, so stick around and I'll show you how to install these. Do you have to be an electrician to install light fixtures? Heavens no. You don't have to, as long as you got the power turned off to your light fixture. They're fairly simple to install, even if you've never installed a light fixture before. Don't go out and start paying an electrician to come out here to do something that you can do. It doesn't make sense, especially if you're on a budget and you barely have enough money to buy the light fixtures. Okay? And speaking of the light fixtures, you know, Momi, she likes to go to the glittery stores where it's just a light fixture store. Well, yeah, we saw some not exactly like this, slightly different, $500, $400, and the one I saw was over $600, and I said, are you kidding me? I would never pay $600 for that. So where did we go after that? I talked her out of it. I said, let's just keep looking. We don't see anything that we like 100% that just knocked us out of the ballpark or anything. And so where did we go? We went to the Home Depot first. We looked at some of their stuff because we were there looking at ceiling fans and stuff. And we went to Lowe's. We got these at Lowe's. And I forget how much that was, $49 or $59 for this, not $500, you know? So go around, you'd be surprised at the types of things you can find at Lowe's now or the Home Depot for your light fixtures, okay? That's where we got these, and that's where we got the cylinder one, and we ended up getting the ceiling fans there. And the ceiling fans didn't really cost us that much. These were less than $200, and Momi kind of liked this idea. You know, it kind of looks like a propeller, doesn't it? And it's a nickel finish. It's the 3 fan blades. And do you see the theme here? Nickel finish everywhere. Bright white ceilings, gray walls, white door frames, white doors, white light switches and outlets and trim. The lights, the can lights are white. Everything's white and gray and this silvery color and stuff, all kind of modern. You know, so when we went to look for the ceiling fans, yeah, they had all kinds of different ones at Lowe's. They also have all kinds at the Home Depot. So try those before you go to a lighting store and want to pay $400 or $500 for a ceiling fan that you can get for a couple $100 or less at Lowe's or the Home Depot. You know, so we got that one at Lowe's, and they happen to have some other ones. I made a video of that whole one to install it, so that's on my YouTube channel. And I still have to install this big bad boy. Look at that. And that thing is going up here in the master bedroom. Look how high these ceilings are. So I have to put that on an extension pole. And of course, that didn't come with the ceiling fan, but of course they had different colors of extension poles and different lengths and stuff. So I still got to put that up. Of course, I'll put that on my YouTube channel. And then she found another ceiling fan. I guess this is just an introductory to the light fixtures. I was gonna put this at the front of the light fixture install, but this is gonna be a separate video altogether. Look at that funky ceiling fan housing and stuff. And that's what she wanted, and that's what I installed. And yes, of course, I put that on my YouTube channel as well. Okay, so all this kind of stuff, yes, you can do yourself. Oh, look at the little kitty. Oh, she's all tuckered out. She's all tuckered out from playing outside and watching the birdies and watching the fish jump and all that kind of stuff. I was looking out there a little while ago, and a fish jumped. Oh, there's Woody, right? Oh, where is he? There he is, right there. Look at him. He likes to come for the suet, and that's a regular bird feeder for the seeds, and then suet for the outside. It comes in little packs. Oh, here he comes. Look at that. On cue. There he is. He doesn't see me. He'll get up there. He's ready. Yep, there he is. See him? He gets on there and then he just chows down on that suet. That suet cake is almost empty. Look at that. He'll peck on it and stuff. And we got some other, oh, look at that. A Stellar J, he wants in on the fun. And then we have some other little woodpeckers. Where is he? Oh, I think he's up here. Oh, I don't see him now. I thought I saw him. Oh, he's down there. We got some really small woodpeckers from a different family of woodpeckers. Here he goes. Isn't that a beautiful bird? Look at that. And in any case, love being down here by the river. Look how close we are. I mean, when we look out, we're literally straight down to the river. And, you know, hey, that's going to be another time. Once I get done with all my projects, I'm going to be out there fishing. Yes, sir. I'm going to be out there fishing after I get all my other stuff done. And I'm getting there. I'm getting there. So, yes, I'm going to be installing these light fixtures. And I'll be making videos of them all. And where do you find all my light fixtures and ceiling fans? On my YouTube channel, just go to my playlists. Go to my YouTube channel, my main channel page. Okay, my main channel page. And go down to and find playlists. Click on playlists and then scroll through the many topics I have on my YouTube channel. And go down to ceiling fans galore or something like that, or everything electrical. Everything electrical would be all my electrical stuff. And ceiling fans I have separately in another playlist. Okay, and everything I have, anytime I post anything electrically on my YouTube channel, it's going to be on that playlist, or the ceiling fans, or painting, or doors, or you know, flooring. I got all kinds of things on my YouTube channel. Okay, all right, enough of that. I'm going to fix that light fixture, and keep watching on my channel, because after that, I'm going to install another one of those right there and show you how easy it is, so that if you want to tackle it yourself and save money, instead of having an electrician come out here, you can do it too. And incidentally, how much do you suppose an electrician would charge you to come out and install one light fixture for you? Probably $75 to $100. Probably $100 is my guess. If you had 4 light fixtures, maybe this one and the other 3 that I'm going to install today, maybe $195 or something. How about just a ceiling fan? Maybe $195, $200, $225 for a ceiling fan. Or if you have 2 ceiling fans, of course you can put 2 ceiling fans in for cheaper than they can put one, because they're already here. They'll give you a deal. And oh yeah, I'll put the other one in for only 70 bucks for the second one or something like that. So if you don't feel comfortable enough to install things, maybe you're on a budget, maybe you don't really think you can install these, check out my channel first and my YouTube videos on how to install a ceiling fan, or how to install a light fixture, how to install a light switch, how to replace a light switch, how to install an electrical outlet, all that kind of stuff. If you don't think you can do it, at least maybe think about going to Lowe's or the Home Depot and buying your material, and then having your electrician, or calling an electrician, a handyman, somebody come out and help you install that kind of stuff, and save some money that way by buying things from a box store, the Ace Hardware, or you know, there's all kinds of hardware stores that will give you deals on ceiling fans and light fixtures and stuff like that. Okay, well that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. All right, take that down, get it straight.